What's up, guys? Raider here. Hope you're having a great Friday or Saturday, depending on when this posts. Hey, I'm out on a quick lunch break real quick. So I got the Titan H3 back up and running. Put some blue Loctite on all the bolts and all that, you know. Oh, and it turns out in that last video where I was rambling on about not being able to see, it's because I had it in LED mode. Guess some lessons have to be learned, right, when you're learning a new system. But let's get this thing up in the air. Won't waste any more time. Hope you guys are doing great. See if this thing even flies. I haven't tested it. I just did everything. Checked the motor wires again. Blah, blah, blah. Should be fine. In theory. Oh, I added a little more up tilt too, so might be a little bit different. We'll see. Okay. All right, let's do this. Whoa. Sounds a little weird, like I have a little bit of a burnt bit prop, I think. Let's get a little comfortable. I always get a little just touching all that on the throttle, you know, when you first get up your first pack. Just cruise a little bit, just get familiar. Had to back out there. That was nuts. That's how it goes. Just some low-hanging trees there. I've got too much up tilt, that's a problem. So I have to speed a little faster. I'm not used to this much up tilt. Way too much up tilt. That kind of screwed that up. Call was. Yeah, alright, so I'm not going to try that anymore until I lower the up tilt. I'm not used to have as much. We'll do a little speed runs here. Yeah, I've got it set up to just be way too fast. That's alright. A couple quick packs of the lunch break. I'm not going to change anything. Just enjoy the flying. Let's cut through here. See a little bit of wobble on the FPV feed. Check my camera bolts. And one's here, beautiful. Hello, slide. I'll tell you guys, that up tilt kind of really dictates your whole flying style and everything. It's definitely something I've learned over the past couple of years. Even just like 3 to 5 degrees makes a huge difference. Like I upped it like 5 degrees from where it was. Like when I was playing with those trees there, it just looks way different than what it was before. I was gonna do a loop right there, but let's see. Nope. Let me pull into it a little bit longer. Trying to get a little more comfortable, like being on this camera, not trying to care so much just because I'm recording a video, you know. Who cares? I'm not pushing back far enough. All right, let me see here. Get low voltage. Let's try this one more time. Come on, Brian. It's just a power. Keep it real. Jeez. Come here, Mr. Tree. There we go. That's what you... 8th time is a charm. Oh well. You know, that's what it takes. So my son is getting ready to go out of the country for a little over a year. He's going to the Ukraine. He just got his passport yesterday. So we are going to go head out to see him before he leaves, you know. So I'm really gonna miss my boy. He's 18. He's a very ambitious young man. He's going abroad to do some more studies, and he's got some work lined up there. So I'm not gonna be flying for a couple days. I'm gonna spend a little time with my kiddo before he takes off, guys. So might not post for a few days. We're really excited about it. Really excited for him too. He's such a cool kid, man. Just to brag a little, he graduated high school in 1 year, guys. I'm not bullshitting you. Like, he's just off the charts, uber smart, man. Just an ambitious young man. So I'm just farting around, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm gonna call it a flight here a little bit. I saw a little wobble there on that kick out on that throttle. I have to look her over. I think the props took some pretty bad hits on that last flight out. But low voltage, let's bring her in. Hey Bear, I'm gonna hit the right kill switch this time, buddy. Give me a hard time on my waiting too long to disarm. I don't even know where I'm sitting. There we go, because I can see me now. Sneak up on the side. Boom. All right, guys. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I'll try to post maybe one more before the end of the weekend. Not sure, but I really hope you guys are doing great, man. Thanks for hanging out and coming along for the ride for this new system here. I do some analog digital comparison tests, so I'm getting a little bit more familiar with this. Hey, I hope you guys are doing great. All right, guys, bye-bye.